Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today in this video we are going to unbox a 16-inch pedestal fan. So let us open it up. So this is the box. So we are going to now open this box. So we bought this from Amazon. So they have very nice packaging, as you can see. And we are just going to open it up. So now as we have finally opened it up, we have a lot of things over here. So as you can see over here, this is prefixed. We already fixed another fan in the previous video. So now this we are going to put the bushes. We have put it already, as you can see. Now we are going to unscrew the screws and make sure fit the base correctly into the grip. Yeah, it's very tight. Now we have fitted it. I will fit this and screw it again. Make sure you tighten all the screws properly, as this is the main part. Now we have tightened all the screws. Now we will put this base by removing the head adjustment and adjust the height of the fan by pulling it up and down. So now we'll keep it and we will tighten it so it doesn't go down. Now we will fit the fan body so that our half job is done. I'll show you, turn it the other way. Now we will fit it. Make sure hold it down. The fitting should be done properly and the screw should be adjusted. Make sure it is very tight, as it might fall off. Now we will remove this. Now we will put the front card and the back card. Now we have to remove the blade and the back card. We will put by, make sure the handle is up and it's fitted properly. Now we will use the guard mounting nut and tighten it. Make sure it tighten up properly so that it shouldn't be taken. Now we will fix the blades using the spinner. The blade has been fixed and this is the spinner. We will move it into anti-clockwise, not clockwise, otherwise it won't fit. Now that we have fit the spinner, make sure it's tight enough so the blade doesn't shake. Make sure don't turn it on without fixing the front guard. So these are the screws provided. Make sure the hole is in the same alignment. Now we will fix the front guard the lightning parts. Now we have to fit it and make sure the screw adjustment and everything is proper. And just screw it. Let me just take it off. Yeah, that's it. I will adjust this and make it tight. Oh. Okay guys, now we have already tightened up, and make sure all the adjustments are proper before turning on the fan. Okay, so now we can turn it on. Yes, now turn it on. Yeah, that's it. The fan is ready to use. So this is a 16-inch standing fan. So we have a 3 adjustment, 1, 2 and 3, and turn off button. That's the height with the lowest, that's the highest with the highest. So we also have an oscillating knob where we can pull it on and the fan just stops oscillating. As you can see, now we'll put it back down. So now it started again oscillating. So as you can see, this is a good fan from Amazon. Thank you guys for watching this video. Have a nice day.